G'day, mates.
G'day.
Hey, Pete, when you think of Australia, what's the first thing that comes to mind?
Lots of cool animals like koalas, kangaroos, Tasmanian devils, and the platypus.
My favorite is the quokka. They're so cute. They look like they're always smiling. Did you know that platypi, or platypuses, are mammals that lay eggs and produce venom?
Is it platypuses or platypi?
Well, I'm pretty sure it's platypuses or platypus, but I like the sound of platypi the best. So anyway, today we're making Anzac Biscuits from Australia. They look really, really good.
Anzac stands for the Australian and New Zealand Army Corps.
The Anzac Biscuit was baked during World War I. Some say that the cookies were sold in order to raise money for the war. Others say that they were sent to soldiers as care packages. Or maybe it's both.
Oh yeah, I heard that these cookies can keep for a while.
Yeah, I heard that too. These days, they're eaten on Anzac Day in April though, when they honor soldiers. They're also eaten all the time throughout the year.
Anzac Day sounds a little like Memorial Day here in the US.
Yeah, it does. Now, let's see what ingredients we need to make these Anzac biscuits. Alright, so you need a half cup of butter, which is also equal to 1 stick.
2 tablespoons of honey. Apparently, they use golden syrup. What's golden syrup?
It's a thick liquid sweetener. There isn't an equivalent in the US, so we're using honey. You also need a half cup of sugar,
a 1/4 cup of brown sugar,
1 cup of rolled oats,
1 cup of finely shredded unsweetened coconut,
1 cup of flour,
3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda,
and 2 tablespoons of warm water.
This will make about 30 cookies. By the way, notice anything different about these ingredients compared to when we usually make cookies?
Oh, there's no eggs.
That's right! During the war, there was a shortage of eggs, so they used golden syrup to bring it all together.
That's a pretty cool fact. Let's get cooking. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then, dump the butter and the honey into a large bowl. Then you're going to microwave it until they're both all melted.
Now we're going to mix in the sugars, oats, coconut, and flour.
I'm going to mix the baking soda into the warm water and then pour it into the bowl with everything else.
We have parchment paper on a cookie sheet.
Now we're going to scoop out spoonfuls of dough, shape them into balls, and set them on the sheet.
They already smell really good. It's going to take 10 to 12 minutes in the oven until they're golden brown. They're done! They smell so yummy!
As much as we want to eat them now though, Pete, I'm sorry, but I think we should probably wait a few minutes to let them cool. Now, let's try them. We even have a guest taster. Cheers!
What do you think, Hugo?
Yummy. Thanks to Atmosphere from KiwiCo for the recipe and fun time learning about Australia.
And thank you for joining us. See you next time.
See you. The Anzac Biscuit was baked during World War We even have a guest taster.
The Anzac Biscuit. The Anzac.
Do you want to flip the chair now?
No.
If you want to make more delicious food from around the world, make sure to check out Atlas Crate. You'll also get to explore different countries and cultures with fun hands-on projects and games. Head to KiwiCo.com to learn more.